Here we have the equation for x times e to the y minus 5x plus natural log of 3y minus 4 equal to 5. And we want to find dy dx, or the derivative of y. So this is the same as this. And so since we'll use implicit differentiation to find dy dx. And so this part right here, this is the product. And so this will be 4x times the derivative of e to the y, and then plus e to the y, and then times the derivative of 4x, and then the derivative of the 5x, that's just 5. And then here this is ln of the expression 3y minus 4. And so this will be 1 over 3y minus 4, and then times the derivative of 3y minus 4. And then the derivative of the constant 5, which is 0. And again, here we do a derivative with respect to x. And so the derivative of e to the y will be e to the y, and then times y prime, or dy dx. Since we are doing derivative with respect to x, but the variable here is y, and so we have to use the chain rule and multiply, so that's why we have to multiply by the derivative of y. And then the derivative of the 4x, which is 4. We do derivative with respect to x, and the variable here is x. So that's why we don't have to multiply by dx. And then the derivative of 3y minus 4, which is 3. And then we have to multiply by dy dx. And we're looking for dy dx. So we end up with 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So since we're solving for dy dx, then we'll move all the terms with no dy dx to the right side. So this term right here, this is 4 e to the y. So when we move it, it becomes negative 4 e to the y. And this is a minus 5. When we move it to the right, it becomes plus 5. And then this term has the dy dx, so we'll keep it. And this term has the dy dx, so we'll keep it. So 1 times 3 is just 3. And then we'll factor out the common factor, dy dx. And then this is just 4x e to the y. And then plus this. And then divide. And this is the answer.